Hey everyone, let me show you how to easily set up your Cash App to receive money requests from anyone. By default, your account might only allow requests from contacts or have requests turned off entirely, which can cause an error when someone tries to request money. Here's how to fix that. First, open Cash App and tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Once on your profile page, scroll down a little and select Security and Privacy. Now, scroll until you find the Request section. Make sure the incoming request option at the top is turned on. Just tap the slider on the right. After that, you can choose who's allowed to send you requests. Select contacts only if you want to limit it, or choose allow all if you want anyone to be able to send you a money request, for example, when paying for an invoice or service. Once that's done, you're all set. Just close the menu and continue using Cash App normally. That's how you enable receiving money requests from anyone on Cash App.